Mame Mao Akwaba and Faumbra Ghana and Sem TVG so what frame Ajoa searching.
Owusu Bempah Nicholas Roman mileage. No. We Gyimifuo.
Oh,
That's
harsh.
Yeah, that's not harsh. Oh, bruh, that's not harsh. See, I can't crown a man I drew. Jimmy, Eman in Tema. At the time, was over Jack Casada. We Gyimifuo. Even knew politicians na mope.
Sure.
Quite a coup for the father who didn't go to tree Owusu Bempah. I never got it. Because Owusu Bempah cannot convince me to even drink water.
How much more to convince you to vote?
Oh no, he can read. How can he tell me how to vote?
Yeah, I get it.
To the point that Kufa do corner so them command horn of the altar. Who are you now?
Yeah.
Vikings no, or about no more boom. NB or the man.
No, be there for you.
I'm sure that Rebecca Cratam to news.
You will be there for you.
Oh no. If any movie be shame people for
Rebecca Tam to
mancrophobia, microphobia. Some Owusu Bempah be and also a chaplain to the country. Sabina, Assembly of God, so for no, or just a chaplain for Ghana because the President Mahama and Nana sorry. It you know, Abrofone chair president and say, gain some no, in Grasamunia, no, what ya no, so support no, support now the catchy. We are winger, my Assembly of God now wings in Idru. O my idea, Mahama, and Susan Mahama. It in corner too. Abrofone no moka. Mr. Honesta na semba mention you. And I agree with Bempah. Maybe I'm one who say why no political move. Political goal boy. Go for say following. O ni congregations what to cry na. Say they need density no or the assembly go 40. It Owusu Bempah adwen say what no to one me be no wa na say nyame be no ni din komba o so nyame akata kire say wa beto ama e bia we Gyimifuo na no me nka no me. He's a no me working. What I say? What is it about this man? Apart from that prophet and I say, you know,
what has he been his?
Yeah, he can't write his own name. Don't let anybody waste their time with Owusu Bempah.
Okay.
He's a fool.
I have to know my.
Where the question that you say, Prophet Owusu Bempah. Also, be a to my NPP be a wadumon bako, a keson bako.
I say, "Miss Anima, me chasiri." I just say, "Miss Anima, me chasiri."
Also, be a to my Nabama NPP be a wadumon bako, was seen.
I am not a politician, but any motherfucker who go talk say mother pussy. You can't choose my choice for me, understand? Maybe if I see your wife, I not go love him. It be about me. I will feel see your girlfriend. I know the board down, but if you see my wife, you go love him. Nobody go choose yours for somebody. Your mother. Who's the say what? I know they understand. You see, say Ghana sometimes some people there is sometimes they talk and they. Owusu Bempah not be anybody. It be your house they control and those are working and those who they follow for work. Who be Owusu Bempah?
Prophet, he be prophet, he be pastor.
Pastor, who be pastor? Me I be faithful. I know the border that shit. But nobody go fit talk so. Say if he
vote give NPP, he go curse
me. Me, I don't be politician. What means me, I know the vote. But if he talks so mother pussy, now me they tell him.
What he talk when you go vote give NPP?
The NPP, now you know a big problem. I'm a son of a large mega. You understand? And me, the NPP people get a lot of problem. I don't want to sell out. Here be market. Are they under the large mega's leg? If a large mega come out the leg, I'm the one they under. But people don't know me. Now we they get the founder of NPP. But today, see my work. Sometimes I go feed them. Well, we be there for our family. We don't get glamse side. We don't get a side. We don't get nothing for the party inside. Meanwhile, I like Mega as a fan of the party. Am I lying? Oh, Owusu Bempah say what?
If you vote give NPP, he go curse.
My grandfather get the fan of NPP. Talk Owusu Bempah say mother, not the border himself. Whatever it is, it's style baby. I style baby. My name is Saifullah. Nobody get right to talk this kind of stupid topic song. I don't understand me.
I understand.
If you vote, give NPP. I like you vote, give NPP. Nothing be your problem. My brother, if you don't go vote, give the person jail your eye. But you can't say that if somebody vote, give NPP party, you are going to curse the person. Your mother will go curse. Send my video all over the world. I don't.
Who TikTok have you on Ubusa say NPP a curse.
Yeah.
To Abama NPP a curse.
Yeah.
Policies NPP they are enjoy and also so
they were there.
We shouldn't give these things. They are no more relevant.
Relevant, yeah.
Owusu Bempah be catch and no me da mahama.
Yeah.
Now efundaka say ne di n'akyi. Efundaka me nsia di n'akyi. Nti wontimi meye president.
Moja won nsa na de.
Me pato so what I say. Now he's trying to say so on mama Mahama be president.
Oh yale.
I don't know how he made it. But yeah, NPP for any him say yeah nyoma bi ayeye our actions and inactions.
Including one man
Ghana for bufu including one Owusu Bempah.
Yeah.
Okotwi to threatening obi an opesa abai ni jan.
Yes.
Me pato so what I say. The woman say enenu I saw for another competition. Woman who said didn't nyina akodi baabi fa akọ. Nti say wa mekasa me auntie e beka say bi kura wawu. Ana say na asori nagu.
Na o ma sori nagu.
For now no
Grandpa, I'm sure it. So, Opa, you almost sorry, you video. No, the cameramans are very tactical.
Oh yeah.
So what I say, it's really restricted to a certain place.
Oh, yeah.
And you open a chip breba. I saw the going empty.
Yeah. And the woman say, and then after the then Owusu Bempah meka we nyina before the democracy and the attack demonstration.
Yeah.
No ni Ghana hana.
That's it.
After the demonstration, nipe pulling out because they decided to sabotage the demonstration. A week to the demonstration, Ashanti region, and Monday, no question Thursday, no. I make call radio so Ashanti region. Baby, I be could be NDC for na trauma for and a wine, then I didn't and a demonstration, you know, okay, maybe omuke kaya by nipe koyen. And woman who say. NPP is becoming more attractive.
It's already
into Owusu je neko kanwe na Ghana for who say it is a case. Okay. Say what the metro no. But enye no na Ghana for Ghanaians are fighting
Mahama, do Mahama ye dey, do Mahama edi ye, owia ye. And the UK 14 to. Eno ye one. Obi kura de ba ko bi so abetum wa ha. En confirm ne de be ba say de a policy. And confirm the policy now, or the alpha where we are the and we will come there. But I'm talking about high, the whole world knowing. Ebio, Yawaha, and a Koban said Ghana for any Brazil for a could play Hunkutahudi. Ghana Brazil, Omukodi play Hunkutahudi. 10 years. 10 years, pa. Energy. Your friend Embraer. It's the NDC for na motron Kwasi asem. Eh? Go and look at Embraer. Who's that? And a Oscar. Edian anka obeto next. Said there be a tiko no bekono. Nkameto petro. Tieni pa. Me waka ketwa. 50 cedi na me dey afele me car. Minyes kan fan fili enti ka ni si ho enti me pato se minyes ka edia na meye meto petro se de be ya mitiko no be ye den ebeko ndc se de ah mi wotiko ntumi nto petro ngumu a edia na ese me ye ese me koto escalade ye V8 ano be metiko nako ni abeton sa logical ya ma na Ghana ni ato se ampa John Mahama solve them so. Me in 2017, all the way to May, June, power shedding was still going on. Doomso became finally a bit a thing of the past after we moved the can from Tema to Takrade. Nana Akufo-Addo nebeye year 2018. Check the date. Check the date. Into one more kofa power na kraba ye no. Enuanu way. Adolfo amutie mi energy John Mahama to me ama generator na ba akokora an connect ama ye one bulb kora so ansa na ofira bam. It had to take Nanado 2018 to move the can from Tema to Takoradi base. And the support to Asante region and the Kentampo Hono is streaming of electricity. Na say ya de baako e de Kumase o matiko apai e na ade no kwasia oh there be daddy facha me odwan ana odwan so odwan wo a wugina awurade NDC for pa de je say nyansa no mama politics na wi o ma dwene ama nyansa no ntumi mmọ nkobio nyansa no eni hobio wakofa ade abesio boy ka 584 million a year. Then somebody comes to make use of it. Something you couldn't do. Wum did the order na aye jumanatem. And to them it is politics. Emily, me papa no mo frɛ me nra. I'm say man no ya dodo. Te ya me susu. Tire na me restrict me ho kakra no. Ko ene dwuma na nka me be din krofo we ha na nka me pastel o mo beje. Mo beje no woto. Afisha de. Some of us power badges na sem ne ye kan. Oh, Sister Charity, where have you been, mommy? Long time. Ye kan. Na ebinimo dwen say ye NPP phone ti na ye ka. Ene beto udwa no. Enye me Felix na make on. Enye opon kroma na oka. Enye Dr. Gideon Boako na eka. Enye Excellency na po na eka on. It's none of them. This is US 4 court. US 4 court. US 4 court say then. US 4 court say. Sa papa na eba no krono a ontumi ye ne hu mfam no. Na appointees ni na ya kromfo no. Ne ho asen abedi mu ho. Kromfo na wono de ni wiase a oba ye de esi John Mahama ni soa ni so beti chobo no wa wi bibi me pacho enye me na me kan the information out there and the trese John Mahama ye kromfo intimi ya na so mo cheche kromfo ya na me ntia se o ma se o ma kwachu bi na da de o kan ye na